Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about 3 ways that CAR helps bring your customers back to your service facility. From the business dashboard on the right hand side, you scroll down, you'll be presented with 3 options: the vehicles list, the due for service list, and the registration, insurance, and inspection expiration list. Under vehicle list, we have last service. Last service gives you a lot of information about your customer and how often they visit your service facility. From the last service list, you'll be able to determine year-to-date spend for that client, spend for the prior year, the last time they came in for service, and what their last service was here for. In addition, clicking Action, you can view the vehicle, edit it, or view client, or view vehicle history. You can also export this list to Excel, using it to create marketing campaigns to reach out to your clients and encourage them to return to your service facility for service. Going back to the dashboard from this page, next you'll see due for service list. Here from the business dashboard, you have the ability to see clients who are due for service next week and next month. Clicking on the individual link will bring you to a shortcut page where you can review the clients that are due for service, when their last service was, when their next service is due, have the ability to send them an email, start a service request, perform a quick quote, or delete this from the list. You can also export this to Excel so you can use it in your email sequences outside of CAR. Going back to the dashboard, the last section we have is registration, insurance, and inspection expiration. If you use CAR vehicle profiles correctly and track this information for your clients, we have given you the ability to proactively reach out to them and let them know that their registration may be expiring, their insurance may be expiring, or their vehicle is due for inspection soon. The purpose behind this list is to call your customers and have communication with them and show them that you are providing the best service for their vehicle that you possibly can in the marketplace. Thank you for watching and have a great day.